Hey gang, welcome back to the shop. Mark LeBlanc here. I've got another dust collection update for you. If you have a compound miter saw like this baby, you know that this is the biggest culprit there is in terms of creating dust in the shop. And not only that, the dust collection sucks. No pun intended. So a couple of years ago, what I did is I designed this box, and I thought I was being really clever. I've got my big dust collection. There's a port on the bottom to capture the dust, and I thought that was going to work. Frankly, it's been useless. What I did see though a couple of months ago is a shroud that goes around the miter saw, and it was Rob Cosman that showed that in his shop, and I've ordered it. It just happened to arrive yesterday. So my intent right now is get rid of the box, get the shroud installed, and let's see if it works. Stick around. This screw head happens to be stripped. Doesn't happen very often with Robertson screws, but it did in this case. So I've got a trick up my sleeve. Let me give it a shot, see what happens. Yeah, so the trick happens to be these guys. It's a set of tools from Micro or Alden. It's a remove broken bolts and damaged screws. It actually works quite well. So what you do is you put this into one of these bits into a drill, and you put it in reverse. You start off with this end, and what you will do is you basically, in reverse, it will drive into the head of the bit. Then you reverse it, and again in reverse, this head will actually grab into the screw and will remove it. Let's give it a shot. Okay, make sure I'm in reverse. Let's try it now. Doesn't seem to be doing much. Let's give it another shot. Okay, the other side now. And that's completely useless. Let's try something else. All right, second try. This is with a Dremel. I want to do one big slot here. Now, big honking flathead screwdriver. Let's give this a shot. Alright, not enough. A little bit more Dremel. And there we go. It's grabbing now. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna be here for a while.
Is it coming?
Yep. Okay. So now.
Oh boy.
Oh shit. Okay, got it on my side.
Yeah, I think I got it. Wait. Like this?
No, hold on. Get your hands up.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, so move it in.
Yeah.
Maybe like this. Okay, I want you to screw this like that. Okay,
I got it.
as much as you can. Alright? Alright.
I think that's it.
It's good. It's installed. It's there. Okay. Thanks, buddy.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Thanks. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Alright, last thing I need to do is just put in a little screw with my grounding system, and we will be all set and ready to give this a try. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, so what does it look like? So first of all, there's a little bit of dust around the saw itself. That's perfectly normal. The shroud itself looks pretty clean. I'm going to go right in there. You see this is where the dust port opens. I don't know if you can see that. I put my hand in the back there. I could feel a really good suction. There's a little bit of dust on the bottom, but overall this shroud, what it's doing is it's containing all the dust in one place, and the dust port is actually sucking up a lot of very fine particles at the same time. So, you know, this is big. This is not a small unit. It does take a lot of space. In fact, I need to back a little bit so that you can see the whole thing. It is taking a little bit more space than what I used to have, but frankly, in terms of dust collection, I finally have a solution that works. I'm going to have to rearrange the shop a little bit, maybe move my table saw a little bit more to the right to give myself a little bit of space, but yeah, I like it. So this is the Russo 5000. It's available on Amazon, and that's where I found it. I would recommend it. Just a first cut, first try. I'm happy. It's certainly a lot better than the dumb box. All right, gang. Have a good one. Later.